One noticeable thing about Nasiruddin Shah, the great Indian actor who has done over 150 movies, is that he is fine at portraying a leader. Either if it's a teacher in Sparsh, a coach in Iqbal, or a family patriarch in Monsoon Wedding.
You found out what time the flight is coming?
Yeah, about 9 o'clock.
So make sure you're there on time and take this car only, okay?
Okay.
And don't put on the AC when you're going to receive them. Only put it on when you have received it. And park this car somewhere else.
Chill.
And take off that stupid topi.
Even while he doesn't play such character, he still feels like a leader about something, giving lessons.
गलती हमारी है, हम लोग बहुत जल्दी used to हो जाते हैं.
To make it clearer, these are possessive performances that put you down to your seat and make you listen to whatever the character will say, just the way we would listen to any teacher or maybe an elder. Most especially his voice finally supports this kind of performance. Secondly, it's the way of his speaking.
कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं शायद तुमसे मुलाकात होगी, पर ये नहीं समझ पाया कभी भी कि जब तुमसे मिलूंगा तो कहूंगा क्या.
A video I remember on the channel TED was about how to speak so that people want to listen. In there, the speaker Julian Treasure talked about 7 toolboxes about speaking. I think Nasiruddin Shah comes very close to maintaining all these features. Not just in his acting, but in his real life as well. Especially the way he states his own opinions in interviews and other places. And this way, his performances are captivating. And there are very few times he actually delivered a bad performance. Because even if the scripts aren't much compelling or challenging, his way of delivering the words always tends to capture the attention of the audience.
मेरा बेजा छोड़ के जो खाना है खाओ.
But his performance is much wider than just working with voices but with body language as well. I decided to talk about 7 of his performances that I think will pretty well reflect his versatility and excellence. Beginning his career in 1975 Shyam Benegal picture Nishant, and in the next few years getting into more important roles in more important movies, he successfully went into the league of the great Indian actors by an outstandingly realistic portrayal of a blind man in Sparsh in 1980.
एक लफ्ज आप जितनी जल्दी भूल जाए उतना अच्छा होगा. बेचारा. हमें मदद चाहिए, तरस नहीं.
Sparsh made him well known. This movie is about a blind man who runs an institute of blind children trying to find a female teacher for them. Upon finding the person, he makes a really good bond with her, which later makes him fall in love. It's a performance that is completely down to earth and true to life. It's not melodramatic trying too hard to gain sympathies, but subtle, characterized with enough feature, enough stories to tell. Nasiruddin Shah successfully was able to make no eye contact as a blind man would. Not just to people, he was good at making no contacts at all, at anything. His body language here is notable. Anyone can easily notice the superiority of this performance.
देखो कविता, मैं बच्चा नहीं हूं. मैं अपना खाना अपने आप खा सकता हूं. दुनिया का कोई ऐसा काम नहीं है जो मैं नहीं कर सकता.
Through the later years, he made even more movies that I couldn't possibly watch all, but in the year 1983, he made a movie named Masoom, a well-known movie that was with a great storyline about a family where he was the patriarch of the family who all of a sudden found that he had a son by an affair he had years ago. While the boy's mother dies, he is called upon to take care of the boy, which very closely destroys his family.
इंदु, मेरी जिंदगी में एक और लड़की आई थी.
Harry's character is a common family man under difficult circumstances. What I truly loved about this performance is the naturality in his dialogue delivery. This is something common in modern actors, but in the old days the actors were much reliable in theatrical dialogue delivery. There, Nasiruddin Shah might be the fewest who actually spoke like a normal person in the Bollywood before the 90s. Smooth, fast and casual.
सुनो, अगर वो जल्दी लौट आए तो डोंट टेल हर. उनके पहुंचने से पहले पहुंच जाऊंगा. आ रहा हूं बेटे. मेरी बीबी को कुत्तों से बहुत प्यार है सर. हाँ. मेरी को बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Other than just the ordinary beats, he was good at the frustration as well.
क्या करूं? बताओ मुझे क्या करूं? सोली चल जाओ.
A year later of Masoom, Nasiruddin Shah impressed the parallel movie audience with his textbook depiction of a poor man in power, which made him win his second national award and the best actor in Venice International Film Festival. That never happened for an Indian actor. Par might be the most different kind of performance of his, because if you see, he wasn't matching with any of the features I talked about before. This performance hardly was dialogue heavy, but a complete body and face act. Every second of his screen time reflected a sense of fear in him, with a sweat all over the body, which is a great kind of acting as well that I don't think have seen many people talking about.
पता नहीं माँ बाबा का क्या हुआ होगा. बहुत चिंता लगा उनके लिए.
नहीं, गाँव तो नहीं जाना. मार डालेगा तुमको वो लोग. आप इसको समझाइए ना जरा.
चुप.
बाबू हरि सिंह को खत्म करने का
Moving from this to almost 16 years later in 2001, Nasiruddin Shah worked in Mira Nair's Monsoon Wedding as a man arranging his daughter's marriage. As much as the film is chaotic and too much eventful, his character always reminds the realness of the event and puts its audience more at the moment.
These are my children, Raji. And I will protect them from myself even if I have to.
Though I can't deny the fact that Mira Nair's writing was precious, but Nasiruddin Shah's performance gave it the right direction. I can't say much new about the performance, but just it's yet another of his flawless acting. You can check out my analysis of the whole movie from the link in the description. After this, in Iqbal, he plays an alcoholic person who coaches cricket bowling to a mute boy, but as he's an alcoholic, none of the members of the boy's family trust him. This is a fitting performance as a coach who has some advice to give, is wise but deep down broken.
मैं तुझे बॉलिंग करना सिखाऊंगा। नहीं ये मुमकिन नहीं है। नहीं बच्चे तू क्या करेगा बॉलिंग सीख के? मुझे ऐसा बनना है तुझे।
It's a typical character, has hardly anything new to present, but still his performance provides this same old character a new face. As almost the same way he delivered performances in A Wednesday and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara as a slightly arrogant person, somehow a little angry, but has something unique to say. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and A Wednesday is a pretty fine example of the second phase of his acting career.
एक ऐसा हादसा होता है तो चैनल बदल के सारा माजरा देख लिया, एसएमएस किया, फोन किया, शुक्र मनाया कि हम लोग बच गए और फिर हम उस सिचुएशन से लड़ने के बजाय उसके साथ एडजस्ट करना शुरू कर देते हैं.
All these 7 performances finally reflect his leader nature, a character who speaks fluently and speaks facts. But one thing still needs to be differently analyzed is how he reflects frustration. To be honest, in his new performances he doesn't do that very much, but in the old performances he was excellent in portraying frustration and sadness, especially notable in Masoom, Paar and the later half of Parsh. A way of showing frustration or deep sadness is to show anger, because anger indeed builds from frustration and sadness. If we take out all his performances in which I consider his went through emotional distress, he dealt them with anger by screaming the dialogues, more especially yelling at some other character, but it never goes hysterical, instead just pretty obvious as a real person.
ये तमीज सिखाई है आपने इनको?
अब मुझे मालूम भी नहीं था सर, और इनको दिखता भी नहीं, और एक गिलास भी।
I pray for your damn crockery.
But to show the real desperation, his character never went through crying, like most amazing actors we know might have done, but his way of dealing with desperation is different, by the face. I think the performance pretty finely reflects his emotion even while he doesn't speak or do anything, like moving the chin or the jaw, or doing some different kind of facial reactions. And this is unique, this is what is rare. It's much harder to hold the tears back than to actually cry. That's what most actors agree with as well.
इतना बड़ा नदी, इतना चौड़ा, इसको पार मत करो ये काम। इसका पार
पागल हो गई है का? मत करो ये काम. कौन देगा 20 रुपया? हाँ बता.
नहीं, हमसे नहीं होगा, मत करो ये काम।
तो भूखा मरेगी?
नहीं,
भूखा मरेगी?
हमसे नहीं होगा।
And in that sense, Nasiruddin Shah has mastered that. That's why he's considered one of the greatest actors in India. Despite his exceptional talent, he's dedicated to, as I said, an actor who hardly has given any bad performances. And his consistency is notable as how many films he works on 1 year. After all, he's an actor who still has a lot to give, I believe, as there are many movies he is working on at this point that are about to release. I think it's above all about subtlety. While the actor doesn't seem like trying, it's hard, and all the performers I have done takes on, including this man, they all belong to this feature, dedication.
We just find ourselves reciting a line, kitne aadmi the, or whatever one, you love. You just find yourself saying it for no reason at all. I think that is the main reason I became an actor, because I enjoyed speaking things.
Hello, that was the video. Check my other takes on the actors if you haven't. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed it, or share your opinions down in the comment box. Till then, it's all hook on, and thanks for watching.